Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jason Dell. I'm head of product at Kabbage. And with me, I have Michelle Serpak, payment operations at Kabbage. I first want to say it's a privilege to be here in front of you representing some hardworking people on the Kabbage team. And we have two innovations that we want to go ahead and talk to you about today that we're very excited about talking to you and releasing it to the market. First, for those of you that are not familiar with Kabbage, what we do is we've been providing small businesses with access to capital since our inception. And we do that by using next generation data and processes to decision those particular small businesses in as little as 7 minutes, unparalleled in the industry. We've taken that platform and we've launched, actually at the last Finovate, fall of last year, Carrot. Yes, cleverly. And Carrot is our personal loan line. Again, based off the same platform. And with that, what I'd like to do is move into our first announcement today, which has to deal with our Powered by Kabbage platform that is now available to third parties and partners of ours. And you'll see Michelle has up for us Sage Small Business Loans. As you can see, it's powered by Kabbage. So, before we got here, first off, I want to say thank you to Sage. The partnership has been fantastic. This is a live site. And I talked to our CTO, and we're very excited, and I told him I was going to try and blow up the system. So I hope, he said, no problem, don't worry about it. So here's what I want you to do. Everybody has a device. I'd like you to go to sagesmallbusinessloan.com, okay? Let's see, let's have some fun with him, okay? sagesmallbusinessloan.com. Again, this is the first of our platform that is fully branded, even down to the emails that the customers get, branded with Sage. So we thank Sage for that partnership that we have. And now I'm going to go ahead and move into the next innovation. And I'm going to help, Michelle's going to help me with this. So Michelle, in your role, you've been dealing and spending a lot of time with our customer, haven't you?
Yes, Jason, I have. Our small businesses are always on the go. They love our ease of use. However, they need to remember that it still takes the standard 1 to 3 business days to get those funds in their account. Often this results in missed opportunity, it takes time, or small businesses find themselves having to rely on their personal credit. It may be the norm, but it's not ideal. Small businesses need a more convenient solution.
So let me make sure I got this straight. Small businesses are telling you that rather than going out and growing their business, they're spending time juggling their finances and cash flow and managing both their business and personal expenses.
That's correct.
Wow, sorry to hear that. Welcome to the world of small business, right? Wrong. Because at Kabbage, we believe, actually, we know that there's a better way to do that. And with that, I'd like to introduce to you the Kabbage card. We are literally putting Kabbage in your wallet. Access to funds anywhere that MasterCard is accepted. That's access to funds that you've already been pre-approved for. And so what that basically means is you as a small business can get the funds you need, where you need them, when you need them. And as you can obviously tell by the card itself, there's no real issue with commingling of funds, right? Now, here's what's really innovative about this. That's great. We have a Kabbage card, and that's fantastic. But here's what's really, really innovative about it. What's happening is when that card gets swiped and the transaction's getting authorized, we're looking back and seeing if there's enough credit line to go ahead and fund that transaction. And when we fund that transaction, it immediately goes to an installment loan, taking away from the available credit. Again, unparalleled in the industry, going directly from point of sale to a loan. So let's go ahead and see how this thing works. So first of all, I want to thank our friends at Point who provided our terminal here. And for this demonstration, I'm a wholesaler, and I have some fantastic deals for small business owners like Michelle.
Jason, I'm so glad you're here today. I have a big sales event coming up this weekend, and I hear that you have some of those dresses that I need.
Dresses?
Dresses.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
We couldn't pick something different?
No.
Okay, all right. Dresses, fine. I have 200 of them. How many do you need?
I'd like all of them, please.
All of them. Wow, this is a big event. Okay, so let me go ahead and calculate that out. That'll be 10,382.32. So I'm going to put that
Okay.
in here, 10,382.32. Okay, great, great. I'm going to go ahead and put this down for you.
Okay. I'm going to put it on my Kabbage card.
Okay, great. While she's going ahead and finishing that transaction, let me tell you what's happening here. The transaction is being processed as it goes out for authorization, like I mentioned before. It's actually going to the Kabbage system. The Kabbage is looking to see what the available line. Michelle happens to be a fantastic customer of ours. She has more than plenty in terms of her line. This is a $10,000 transaction. Our system is funding that transaction as a loan. She is now ready. Once that completes, transaction's taken care of, Michelle has her merchandise, and off to the races she goes. Now, you're going to notice in that particular scenario, there's no multiple steps. She does not have to go and transfer cash or take a loan and move it to her bank account and then actually pay some other personal credit card or something like that. There's no cash flow juggling. It's going straight from the point of purchase to her credit line and, in this particular case, her installment loan. In a word, simple. So, Michelle, as a busy business owner on the go, well, I see you already have the app up.
I do.
That's fantastic. And you're going to notice there's the transaction that's occurring, or that has occurred, I should say, with those dresses. So thank you very much, Michelle. I hope you do well and come back and see me and buy some more dresses. In any case, we're very excited about that. So from the company that has brought SMBs decisioning in as little as 7 minutes, I'm happy to announce the opening of our platform powered by Kabbage, as well as the additional functionality of that platform with the Kabbage card. I thank you very much, and I look forward to meeting you at the booth.